Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. The old snack sack. I shared this earlier today and there were some people commenting on the materials that I used for this. So this is just a little roll top, flop top bag that I keep snacks in for classes and what have you. And I just roll it onto itself. And it'll come with me to classes or events or whatever. And I know that I have this whenever I'm doing something. I can leave this at the class site or wherever it tends to need to be. There's not as much traveling being done. But what I used for this is chamois material. So this is what you dry cars with. And you can get extra large chamois for about $7. And they're pretty big. This guy's approximately 26 inches long by roughly 12 inches wide, maybe. And it's not a perfect shape. It's kind of wonky, but this would be more than enough to make a couple pouches out of, or one really big pouch. This one was made just from one piece, so I made the fold for the pouch itself and then cut the long strip out to wrap it in, and it's held up very well. So sometimes when you get these, you want the ones that say that they're natural. The other ones are the same materials that they make the cooling bands out of, which make exceptional cooling bands and dry really well, but they're not leather. They're going to be some sort of synthetic material, and they don't make great crafts out of, but this stuff works really well. The first time I ever saw this used was at Advanced Bushcraft at SE. Mr. Gibson had us cut strips just pretty much like this guy, and it's what we used to lash our parasite plugs or hose spindles onto our hand drills, and we used horseweed or mare's tail. But you could, anything that you need to do half lap notches on and whip, this works really well for that. And it's fairly inexpensive. Like I said, I think this one is about $7, $7 or $8 for one this large. And you can get a bunch of different crafts out of this. I have some smaller pieces that I use for different things. My sharpening kit I keep wrapped in a piece of chamois, chamois. I don't know exactly how you pronounce it, but I use that material I'll roll my sharpening stones up in it, and then I wrap around it and tie it. So then I do have a little towel, so to speak, that I could use for different things. It's fairly lightweight for what it is, but it's tough. It's really strong. It's essentially just really thin buckskin. But anyway, I just kind of wanted to share. It's a very inexpensive way to do some crafts if you're looking to make some things that are more traditional looking. Pretty easy, inexpensive option, but just wanted to share the old snack sack. You can make anything you want to out of it. It's the same deal, just cut it and sew it up. That's it. No glue or nothing. Pretty easy, and it's held up well. It's discolored a little bit, but that's going to happen when you touch stuff and lay it on the ground. But anywho, look, I appreciate the support. You can check out older stuff, including the content that inspired this video. Feel free to like and subscribe. We have a lot of stuff we're putting up here. Just take some time. You can check out our older stuff at Bushcraft Coastal on Instagram, bushcraft.com for gizmos and gadgets. Car drying chamois cloth. It's leather. Good stuff. Later.